morning everyone, my name's Cheryl Hurst. I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator here in Sydney, Australia. How are you today? I am having so much fun going through the catalogue, as you know. And today, this is an oldie, but a good one, and I wanted to use some different colours, the new core colours. And it's Nature's Prints, and I'll be using these three, plus Best Wishes, and the dies. These are the dies I've got out. These are the dies I'll be using. Okay, so that's there, and it's on page 24 of the annual catalogue. I'm stuck on this page. I love it. And I'm going to be doing this card here. I'm just going to change it a little bit, but not much. Basically that card right there, if you can see it. So it's on page 24, and there's the stamp set there. Okay, so what I needed is thick basic white cardstock. That's my base. I'm using the Brights and Beautiful DSP, and I'm using Berry Burst so as the back, and I've got the ribbon is sheer ribbon, the combo pack. It comes with I think 3 different ones, so yeah. So I've got the mind blank, isn't that terrible when you're videoing? Bubble bath. So let's start. So we'll start with, I've got the mounted. So the inks I'm going to be using is Lost Lagoon, and I need Lost Lagoon, stamping that one, and this one in Lost Lagoon. Space it enough so we can put their dies on. So those two are done. And I'm going to be using Lemon Lime Twist. Here it is. I had the wrong one out. And yuck. And I'm going to be using this leaf. And you need the bigger stamp block here, that's E, and I'm just going to put that there. Okay, and I'm finished with those inks, and I'm going to die cut them, and here they are, already die cut. And here we are, we've got them there, so I'll move those out of the road, and I've got this one where I need to do the sentiment. I'm going to use Berry Burst, and I'm going to use the VersaMark. There. And what did I forget again? I got excited doing this, and then I forgot to use the embossing buddy, so I'll turn it around. Use the embossing buddy. Because it's a bit darker colour, you really do need it, so you don't get the static and little bits of the powder stuff on it. It'll spoil it, so it's better just to turn it over. Just do it again. Done. And now I'm just using the basic white embossing powder. It comes in a pack of 3. You get the basics pack, you get white, black and clear, and they're the ones that you probably use the most. And you just sprinkle it over, give it a wee tap, and there you have it. See? Beautiful. And now it just needs to be heat embossed. Oh, that was good. Powder everywhere. And and die cut, and here we are here. So we've got it done. So, and I'll put that there so I don't lose the pieces. And now we'll just put it all together. So I've got my basic white, thick, and I'm just going to make sure that's nice and crisp with my bone folder. With that, I'm going to place that on here. So I'll just get my very sticky, your fingers stuck to it, and I'm just going to place all that there. Okay, now just arrange, so you put the big one down first, and then I'll put this one sort of there, and this one going there. We'll see how that looks. This one needs to come up a little bit, I think. Move that up a bit more. And this one can come down a bit, I think. Just like that, and you can see that that one has come through. So I'm going to just cut his tail off a bit, just like that. So I'm just going to get my seal, and I'm just going to lift that a little bit. Just put a touch there to tack it down. And that one was just there, and I'll just tack that down. That, so make sure I've still got it where I want it. Yep. And I'm just going to, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to tack the ribbon, and I just thought I'd just do a loop like that, and just bring it across a little bit, I think. Just a little bit like that, and hang out. What do you think? Just like that. That's what I plan to do. There. And now I'm just going to put some, mount it with some dimensionals. There, it's all ready to go on. I don't want to put that white one yet, because I want to, yeah, and just secure it with the seal. You probably don't need as much seal as I put on, but I like to make sure it's all firm. And placing the card there. Oops, moved all that. Before I put that down, I just make sure that I'm happy. Oops, I printed. Happy with it all. And now I'll just place it there. And then we have our card, and I'm just going to get some sequins. And I'm going to use the, here they are, the Pastel adhesive back sequins, and I'm going to use the bubble bath, and I'm going to just place it there, and one. Oops. Over here. There you are. So the card's made, and it's from the annual catalogue that I cased on page 24, as you can see here. So I just made it a little bit different. So would you like the card, or the one in the catalogue, or my one, my version? They're both beautiful, so It's going to be hard for you to decide. So anyway, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you later. Bye. Oh, just before I go, sorry, tell me if you like me casing. I'd like to know if I should keep casing or not. Okay, see you later. Bye.